Don't know how to print stickers with your Rollo thermal printer? No worries, just follow these easy steps. Step 1. Keep your Rollo thermal printer on and connected to your computer. Step 2. Ensure your sticker is saved on your device and is ready to print. Step 3. Open the File Explorer on your computer. Step 4. Locate the sticker you want to print and double-click on it. Step 5. After that, click on the printer icon. Step 6. Open the printer drop-down menu and select your Rollo printer from the list. Step 7. Confirm the sticker paper size you're using. Step 8. Once everything is done, click on Print. Step 9. Wait for your printer to print your sticker. Leave a like and subscribe if we helped resolve your issue. Drop a comment below for more such videos and DIY ideas. Or visit us at www.mannymaker.com or call us at 1-786-866-5932. 44-203-983-0480.